In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper bracket on this Toyota Tacoma. It's located right behind the bumper on each corner and secures it to the frame. Let's get started. Looking behind the bumper on the corner, you'll see this bracket. This is the bumper bracket that we're after. There will be two 12mm mounting nuts straight up at the top here and two 14mm bolts that hold it onto the frame. You have a power tool that'll fit in there. That will make things easier. And the two bolts off the frame. There we go. Now, of course, the bumper is held on the other side, so it's not going to fall off, but as you just saw, it will move. Now you can pull this bracket back. And there it is. Let's get the bracket reinstalled here. I'm going to, of course, start it onto the studs first. Move the bumper in a way in which it can allow this to slide on. There we go. Start on the two mounting nuts up top. If your hardware is in poor condition, you're going to have to replace it so that this can be secured properly. Before I tighten that, I'm going to start on the two bolts on the bottom. That way I know everything is lined up. And I'm going to start by tightening up the two mounting nuts completely. That way it pulls it tight up against the bumper. Since those two bolts up top, the holes are not very widely cut, so they don't have a lot of adjustment, whereas this here does have quite a bit of adjustment. So I want to make sure that's tight first, then I'll move here. Now with those snugged up, let's snug up the two bolts on the bottom, and then we will come back and torque everything. When you snug these up, move the bumper in such a way in which it will line up perfectly with the body. You have the fender, the grille, and everything. That all needs to line up like it was before. Snug these up. Once you snug one, it shouldn't move anymore. Snug up the other, and let's torque them. Tighten these to 35 foot-pounds. And tighten those to 25 foot-pounds. This side bracket is completely replaced. Do the same to the other side. I recommend doing them both in pairs because if one is rotted away or in poor condition, the other one is as well. They've been on here for the same amount of time.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.